So this is a new feature I'm hoping to roll out. I'm going to see how it goes, but I'm going to take some of the iconic pictures, or what I feel are my iconic pictures, and talking about how we set them up, how we shot them. Maybe some folks are interested, maybe you're not, who knows. Anyway, this is a photo from 2013 kicking off this series. Photo was the GoPro photo of the day, May 23rd, 2013. And it's taken in Kamloops at the Kamloops Bike Ranch. Kamloops looking a little greener than it usually does. And it's pretty awesome, actually, how we got this shot in terms of, I think we sort of fluked into it. So here we go. Most importantly, rider is Chris Ashton, who I spent a lot of years shooting. Very talented rider, still is, still rides hard. So we spent some time scoping some spots. Been going to the bike ranch for many years and shooting, and some of these cliff style drops were just awesome. But we were looking for some new lines, and we found this one. And I was set up to shoot this with my Nikon camera, which I think at the time was the D3S. I had a D3 and a D4, but I think this is the D3 from 2013. Anyway, and I had it synced to an SB900 flash. The flash was actually sitting on a very small little tripod in a cargo short pocket that I was going to, essentially shoot that with the flash pointing upwards at Chris. And I set up the GoPro on a burst with a remote, with the old keychain remote, and then quickly took my Nikon and flipped it up, and managed to catch about a 10-shot sequence of Chris coming off the mountain. I'm going to show some extra photos, sort of the ones that didn't make the cut. I'm going to show them next. But I happened to, with the Nikon, it triggered the flash, and the GoPro images, I think it's just because of the nature of the lens and the distortion on the lens, just they came out so much better than the Nikon shots, and really popped to me. So touched them up in Lightroom, and this is what we got. It was fantastic. So here's some of those shots I'm talking about here. These are the shots right from when he comes off the little cliff there, and then sailing off into the wild blue. So yeah, hope you enjoy these, and then we're gonna follow that up. I've got the video here of the actual drop, and then I took a different angle of it just to show a little bit more of the size, because I felt that the size in the first video, showing the size of this drop, didn't do it justice. So yeah, that's the story behind the shot.